Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And today I'm going to make a video for my Toronto trip. Okay, so here you can see there's 1, 2, 3 different type of the tail dampers. And those, like you can see there's a short one, long one, and the other type. And you can see all the cars I have installed already. Okay, so those tail dampers is I'm going to give away on the race day, like no matter on this coming Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and it's like as you hear, yes, I'm giving away us for free. So here is the detail how to get this damper for free. So only thing, like the thing you have to do is go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel and press the bell, so every time if I have a new video update, then you will receive a message. And then press likes on each of the video and the comment on each of the video. You don't have to be long. You just say, oh, thank you, Roy, something like that. It's good. So it's pretty simple because I don't have that much video for now, so it should be very simple. So what I'm going to do is on the race day, or even though on the practice day, if you can just you know, subscribe the channels, and you know, when I receive that, then you can give me your name, and I will mark down your YouTube ID. Okay, so I will mark it down as a list, and then let's say my Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club and Roy on the side. Then I will have it listed, and whoever I have the listed, then you can pick. You will get this 3 damper, like I don't know which one, but by randomly, because I will have apps. Then you gonna press on that. Let's say there's 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna press on the app. Then you choose the number randomly. So if it shows 2, then you can get this one. Choose 1, you can get this one. Okay, so there's no argument about that. And then, and as you can see here, there is let me see. Okay, so here is Tamiya 90mm Arena rollers. I just made it, and also it's going to be giveaway for the people who ever sign and get those dampers. Like if you have subscribed and I have on my list, then on the end of the the end of the race after Sunday is due on the race on Sunday. So whoever is on my list, I will give this 2-pack of roller to Jimmy. So after I come back to Winnipeg, I will make a video and I will pick the numbers. Let's say I have 30 people, like let's say number 1 John's, number 2 Jimmy, number 3 Tommy, number 4 Mark, number 5 Martin, blah 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 blah, like, and then I will pick the numbers using the apps in the video, and whoever the first 2 person that I pick, then you can get this 2 rollers from Jimmy. Okay, so whenever you have a chance to see Jimmy, then you can ask him to get this rollers. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you the dampers. So this is the short one. As you can see, I have installed already on which like 3 of the cars. Then this is pretty much good for all the single shaft cars, because this is the short one, so you can install on the single shaft cars, and most of the single shaft cars should can use that. And here is the long one, so you can see this one have the start and the Arena letters, and this one has Arena logos on it. Okay, and people might think, why this design a little bit different? Okay, so here's I'm going to explain about why I made design as this one. So this one, as you can see, I install on here, and it's connecting those two holes. So if you have a suspension cars, let's say if you have, if you don't, it's okay, you can still like just bolt on whatever, you know. But if you have a suspension car, this one can makes your car is, see, it's not moving, so it can hold the chassis in the position and not moving, so it can make the gear biting each other much more better. So this is the one of the my tail damper design. So this one, and it's very easy to install because the hole is CNC cutting, the spot is just right, so you just put it on and that's it, tight it, and it's all good. Okay, so and another thing is, if you already subscribe my channel but you haven't like and comment on my video, please do that, because I will see, because that's also the way I will check after I come back to or even during on the race day, I will check on my video and see is your names on it. If your name is, I would pick the video randomly, so if your name is not on the video, then I have to say sorry, then you are not qualified to get this damper for free, because it's pretty simple. Like I don't think I don't think a reason why like people cannot do that. So it should be very simple for people, whoever if you want to get this tail dampers, and also you might have a chance to get those Tamiya Arena rollers. Okay, so this is today's video, and I will see you guys, especially, well, not especially, actually the Toronto peoples, I will see you on this weekend. Okay, so let's race on this weekend, so keep on racing. Okay, thank you.